deactivate Facebook account on Android in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to go to your Facebook home page and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, you have to scroll down in the most bottom of this page, then click on the settings and privacy. After that, click on the settings. Then you end up in this page, and here you can see the search settings. So you have to go click on your search bar in the most top of this page, and then you have to search the delete. So here you come to this page, and here it is saying that you can see uh, the delete, and in the second option you can see the account ownership and control. You have to click on the second option, and then you come to this page, and here you can see the deactivation and deletion second option. So you have to click on the middle one option and then click on this. Then you come to this page, and here you have to choose the deactivate account first option, and it will temporarily delete your account. It means you can reactivate your account anytime. So so that's basically it. After that, you have to click on the continue to account deactivation, and then you have to enter your password. After entering your password, what you can do is you can click on the continue button, and your account is deactivated. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.